Good day, everyone. Today, I will talk about the dynamics of local and global cultural production and how these connect to global governance. But before I begin, I do have a question. Do you know what cultural production and global governance are? If not, you better listen to me. By the way, I'm Angelo R. Luzano from BSED Math 1A. So, cultural production is a creation of goods like food, clothing, films, or traditions that express a community's identity and values. Global governance, meanwhile, refers to international systems and agreements that guide how countries interact, especially in trade, communication, and cultural exchange. Together, they shape how cultural products are created and spread around the world. So, for the example of a local product, I have the Barong Tagalog. The Barong Tagalog is a Filipino traditional garment made from pinya or juicy fabric. Its embroidery and design reflect Filipino history, identity, and craftsmanship. Then the example of global product is that the McDonald's. It is a global fast food chain known for standardized production and worldwide branding. It represents convenience, modern dining culture, and globalized food system. Then the question is, how culture shapes production and marketing? Well, culture influences the way products are designed, produced, and promoted. It affects the materials, the flavors, the styles, and techniques used in making a product. And it also guides how companies market to different audiences. Businesses adjust their advertisements, language, and product variations to fit cultural preferences, making products feel familiar and meaningful to communities. Nan, the question is how global governance influences regulation, trade, and distribution. Well, global governance creates rules and agreements that affect how products move across countries. These include safety standards, environmental laws, environmental rules, and intellectual property laws, and trade agreements. They also guide how goods are transported and distributed worldwide. Because of these systems, cultural products can be exchanged more safely, legally, and efficiently across borders. So, for the comparison of the two products, which is the Barong Tagalog and the McDonald's, the Barong represents tradition, identity, and handmade craftsmanship, while McDonald's represents global mass production and fast-paced modern culture. Barong production is artisanal and slow, while McDonald's production is standardized and technology driven. The Barong serves a specialized cultural market, while McDonald's serves a global everyday market. Both are influenced by global governance, but in different ways. Barongs rely on cultural protection and trade rules, while McDonald's depends heavily on food regulations, international supply chains, and global business policies. So, for my personal reflection, as a future educator, understanding cultural production and global governance matters. Cultural awareness helps us appreciate our own identity, while governance awareness helps us understand how global systems shape our daily lives. By learning these concepts, we can guide students to value their heritage while becoming informed and responsible global citizens. Thank you.